Hey, thanks everybody for joining me today. My name is Christina Allison. So let's be honest and upfront. I probably don't look this glammed up normally, just be honest. And I probably may not ever look this way again, but we're gonna try it this way because it was fun. Hey, I might have a hat. Okay, so let's try that again. Hi, my name is Christina Allison. Thanks for joining me today. If you watched my previous video that was just before this, I did that video almost 9 years ago, or actually a little over 9 years ago. The content still fits. That call to action. My exact same statements 9 years later, unfortunately, are the same. I have all these really great ideas and I just need to put them into action. So here I am today putting into action. I got afraid when I did those before. I did the idea of the technology, and as you could tell from the quality, 9 years ago, made a difference in the video quality. But the truth is, I was afraid. The idea, those self-talk, right? That we all have it. Mine was, I'm too fat, I'm too old, and I still have those inner voices that say the same thing. But you know what? I miss being able to be in action with people. I'm a business coach. I'm a business success coach. I want you to thrive in what you dream of doing. And I was doing trainings on the road just before the COVID happened. And I was thinking to myself, you know, I really love doing this. I love making an impact on people's lives daily. I just love it. It is my passion, right? And then COVID happened. And I was in Atlantic City on a Monday, and by Thursday I was doing some virtual trainings. And I'll tell you, the very first one I did, I was hardly on camera. I do have an issue of being on camera. I don't know what it is because I don't have those same issues in a live audience. It's just really strange. And then I got some feedback that said, you know, you really need to be on camera more. And even in the ones that I'm doing live, I turn off the camera version of myself. It distracts me so much. I can't watch it. But I can still do my trainings. And after doing that for months, I realized I can talk to the camera here just as easily as I can when I have a webinar, when I know I have, you know, 100 to 200 people watching me. So it's trying to get over some of that stuff, and that some of these things are experiences that be able to help us shift some of that. So my intention with this channel, and I really do plan to be really active in this channel, is to be able to take a lot of this knowledge that I have and to put it into action and share it with other people. My passion is coaching women to build their businesses. I've watched some business women start from literally in their kitchens into storefront bakeries. And it's really strange because I've actually done that with 2 women. So I really want to be able to watch people live their dreams. I was a SCORE counselor with the Small Business Administration in California. I now live outside of Charlotte, North Carolina. And what I realized is that a lot of the business people will tell you that you have to have a really extensive business plan, you have to borrow large sums of money, you have to have all of this stuff before you can start a business, and I say BS. And one of the women I did help was at the Small Business Administration. She came in and she had an excellent business plan. And I'll talk to you extensively on another video about business plans and why they're important and what really has to be in them. But she had one, and I know that the executive people that would have been with her would have told her she had to borrow a bunch of money, and I said, no, you don't. Think outside that box. Because when you start in a bakery, you can rent kitchens. You don't have to buy all that equipment if you're not ready to do that, and you can grow your business. So how to be successful in business really, truthfully, isn't about the money. It's about who you have to be and who you have to grow into to be able to grow your business. And I'm telling you, that is my passion, and I have all kinds of information. So one of the things that I am going to be working on is what they call Productivity Mondays for you. I'm going to be talking about the time management aspects, because that's huge on how we're able to perform, right? Because we always get to this thing where it says, I don't have any time. I just don't have any time. And some of those arguments are true, and some of those are just limiting beliefs. So I want to give you some of the tools that can help you do better in your time management. And I definitely want to talk about personal and professional development, because those are the things that make us grow as people, get more confident, and we're able to do more that we want to do. And I can say I haven't always been super confident. used to fake it. So almost that idea of fake it till you make it. But and I know age probably has something to do with that, but it's also the process of what you learn about yourself. Who are you? Why are you here? And what drives you? Yeah, and the getting past some of those social norms of what is acceptable, what's not acceptable. Now, there are going to be people that watch this video and they're not going to like me, and I'm okay with that. We have how many billion people on this planet? No, I'm not going to make everybody happy, and neither are you. We're going to want the people and the community that we want to support each other and that like each other, and it's okay not to be perfect. So join me on this journey, because I am excited about it, and I know that together we can make a huge difference, and women specifically can change this world. People, entrepreneurial, so they have solopreneurs, that's when you work by yourself, and entrepreneurs that are just doing it in a different little tweak to it, I am saying, are changing the world and are making millions on their own businesses, opposed to working for somebody else and making, 80 cents on the dollar? So let's work on some of those strategies that can make you grow and be a fully independent person. So join me, and we'll have the website up here shortly at bffenterprises.net. That's my business. Caveat. My symbol is the Phoenix. The name of my company is BFF Enterprises. Now, this is going to sound strange to some of you. How I came across this name, because I get asked all the time, what does it mean? Best friends forever? Actually, I went on a shamanic vision quest with some shamans, and that was the name that it came back with. And I've had many iterations. Like, my thing is, it is whatever you want it to be. It's BFF Enterprises is the name. But it was like begin facing forward, best foot forward. But really, the one that recently, I've had this for 10 years, it was born from fire. It's the Phoenix. And we get to recreate ourselves on a regular basis, right? That's how we blossom into the new version of who we are meant to be. So again, join me. Let's have some fun. So if you like some of the stuff that you're hearing today and you're looking forward to some of this content that I'm going to create for you, then please hit the subscribe button and hit the little chime button so that you're notified anytime that I'm adding new content to my channel. So join me.